If you want to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S26, then we have a couple of different methods that allow you to do so. You can, for example, use the power button and volume down button at the same time. This allows you to capture a full screenshot. Besides that, what you can also do is you can use the palm swipe gesture, so we can swipe with our hand from left to the right or from the right side to the left side, so it looks more or less like this. Let me try again. There we go. So we can use this gesture to capture a full screenshot as well. Now, we can also go to the control center or quick settings, and you can add a screenshot button in here. Unfortunately, this button is not added by default for some reason, so we have to tap on this pen in the upper right corner. Then at the bottom, we're gonna choose add a control, and in here we can find the take screenshot option. So you can either tap on it in order to immediately add it to the control center, or you can press and hold your finger and then decide where the button should be placed. So let's say I'm gonna add it over here. We can also extend it and tap on done. There we go, and you can tap on that button in order to immediately capture the screenshot. There we go. And last but not least, if we go to settings, then in here we should be able to find accessibility. In accessibility, we're gonna proceed to interaction and dexterity, and then here we can enable the assistant menu. If you tap on that menu button, then you can find the screenshot option in here as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.